Hi everyone, I am back today with a guest design team project for Christy at Everlasting Journals. I am going to link Christy's Etsy shop below for you to go and take a look at. She's got a beautiful variety of digitals that are fabulous in projects, so I want to let you see what I've made. And I haven't used just one kit. I've used two of her newer ones, but I've also used bits and pieces from the other ones that I have in my stash as well. So what I did was made a trifold folio. It measures 3 3/4 wide by 8 1/4 long. And it does have a little signature in the first part. So I have just closed it here with a little bit of twine. And throughout I've used my age tape. And you can see here that I've used one of her beautiful receipts with the roses on it here for the cover. So the cover is made out of 65-pound cardstock, and then I have layered some craft paper over it, and then I've added my digital pages. And I will do a short video, I think, next to show you how I made that. There's lots of videos, I think, on YouTube with different folios, how to make them, and I'll just put up one that shows how I did this particular journal. So let me show you here that this is the folio. So there's the 3 pieces of the folio, and then in the first spine I've added a small signature, and then on the back of the third one I have added an envelope as a flip out, and then on the back of the second piece I have added a pocket. So this is actually the back of the journal. Sorry, you can hear that's my dog running around like a crazy man. He's probably seen a squirrel. So let me show you inside here. So I have used baking paper, craft baking paper as pockets, like I have been doing over the last little while. And I have my favorite note stamp on that die cut. This is one of the pages from Christy's newest kit. It's beautiful little, they're not really roses. I don't know if you can see, I'm not sure what that flower is, but isn't that pretty with the cream background? And then on the back, I've added another image from that particular digital. And then just as an extra journaling spot, I have added this receipt with the beautiful roses, and you'll see that I've used this image for the pocket at the back, but I thought that was a nice kind of extra journaling space. And I'll show you the signature last. So for the inside, then I have added a double pocket here. And in the back pocket, so this pocket is some pink cardstock that I had and coffee dyed and then embossed it. And so in that pocket then I have another piece of that really pretty paper that I've added a tab to, and then a journaling card. And then in the front pocket, this is an image, of course, from one of Christy's kits. This is from her newest labels kit. And then I've just made this little tag to go in. So that's the middle pocket. On the last pocket, again, that's the baking paper. And I have added another little journaling card. And you can see the background. I have done collaging from kind of various kits that I've had, that I have of Christie's. Then I've added a little bit of pretty washi tape there. This is a bag that I've added journaling card to, that's layered onto some craft paper. I don't know if you can see it, I've got some dotted tulle on the background. And then I've just added a coffee dyed piece of cardstock as a tag and done a little bit of stamping. The stamps throughout are from Sam Poole Designs. You can find those, I think, at scrapbook.com. So then on the back, I've done the envelope flip out, and on top of the envelope, I've added a little belly band, added this piece of strip of cardstock with one of my favorites, my new favorites, this black dotted sari ribbon, just as a little journaling spot. And then in the envelope, I have added this little pink cardstock with my notes stamp. And then on the flip of the envelope, I've added another pocket here, and this is just a piece from one of the collage sheets that Christy has. And then in it, I have added just a few pieces here. This is from the newest labels kit, and then this is just a journaling card, and I've made it into a tag there. A little bit of trim at the bottom here, a little bit of gold, a little bit of pink sari ribbon. This is one of the journaling cards from the newest ephemera kit. I've used it as a pocket here. Another piece of ephemera, and then my Tiffany stamp on that die cut. And then on the back, I've added that image that you saw earlier on. I've added as the pocket backed onto some craft paper, a little bit of trim at the bottom here. And then inside I had this really pretty image of a lady and stamped it. And then I've made a little booklet here, and I've closed it with one of those Tim Holtz clips. And this is part of one of the ephemera pages in one of the kits from Christy, and I've just folded it and made it into a little booklet. This is just printer paper, 24-pound printer paper, and so it's probably not going to stand up to lots of use, but it's just a little bit of extra journaling space. And I've just added just a variety of different papers here. Graph paper, lined paper, coffee dyed paper, and then this newsprint paper, and I folded it so that there are two pockets here. I don't have anything in this one, but in this one I have this little glassine bag that I've closed with some washi tape, and in it I have added just a few of the smaller labels from Christy's newer kit. So there's lots of different styles here, different shapes, and I thought they'd be great for just collaging or use for whoever ends up purchasing this. So let me show you then the signature. There are 8 pages, so 32 sides, and I've added this little glassine bag. Again, images from Christy's various ephemera sheets, and I've just added a little notes journaling card there. Some vintage pink ledger that I have. I've done a little bit of edge punching on that piece of newsprint. Some lined paper and graph paper and ledger paper with tabs, and some sari ribbon there. Some avocado dyed paper there. And then on the back of that craft page that you saw, I've done a little bit of stamping. So just a really simple little signature. I have not done much decorating to it, mainly because this journal couldn't take a lot of ruffles and that kind of thing. And it also leaves space for the person who decides they want to purchase this and use it. It gives them lots of room to do their own decorating. And then in the last half of the bag, then I've got another journaling card with another pretty image from one of the ephemera pages. So that is my guest design team project for Christy at Everlasting Journals. I hope you will go and take a look at Christy's shop. She has some beautiful things for use in your projects. And I thank you for watching, and I will be back soon.